Now let's look at the following rule, and this rule is normally confused with the fourth rule of exponents, and that rule being the power rule. So the power rule versus the expanded power rule can be similar but yet different in this way. So your expanded power rule simply says that x times y close bracket all to the power m, right? This equals to what? Expanded power rule means that you multiply these terms but not inside the bracket. So since they're multiplying, each of them must have its own power as that power which is outside the bracket. What it simply means is the following. It means that x should have a power of m as well as y should have a power of m. So which means that this power must be available on both x and also available on y. The best way to explain that would be x to the power m. This multiplication sign stays. Y to the power m. That exponent multiplies everything inside the bracket. That is the whole point of this, given the fact that they are in a bracket or they are inside a bracket. Now, this rule should never be confused with the previous rule, which is the power rule. This is the expanded power rule. So that power expands. So you must always understand that your power must be multiplied on each and every individual term inside the bracket. And if things get to be a bit uphill for you, where you have a power here and a power there, which means that this must multiply that power for x and also multiply that different power for y. But let me not get ahead of you now. Let me start by leaving it here and give you a practical example of that. And I've got beautiful examples here. I'm going to take this one. This looks very interesting. Number A. I'm going to start with number A here, and then I'm also going to do number C. Number C is also interesting. So I'm going to be a bit pacey here due to time, but I'm going to try to explain it as I go. So 2a to the power 3 is your question here. Solve this question. So which means that it's going to be 2 to the power 3, this expanded power, as well as a to the power 3. This is your answer. So what does it tell you? 2 to the power 3 means that 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So your answer is 8a to the power 3. That's your final answer here. Number C. Number C says the following to you. Number C says, open bracket, x squared over y, close bracket, to the power 4. Expanded power notation applies here. It says that x to the power 2 times 4 divided by y to the power 4. So that power 4 applied here, and it also applied on y. What does it give you? It gave you x. Okay, let me write my working here. So it gave you x, this space, 2 times 4, 8, over y to the power 4. Your answer must stay and remain here. Why? You cannot apply the second rule, the quotient rule here, simply because these bases are not the same. So this is your final answer.